Alright guys, welcome to one more session on Linux. In this particular session, we'll understand couple of important features of process management. Now, what is a process? You can simply say it is a task that is running by the system. Now, you can run the task on the background or on the front ground. Okay, let me straight away go to my console and explain this to you guys. Let's say, let me log into my server and let's say clear. Now, let's say I am using a simple syntax called as sleep 10. So now this process is running for 10 seconds. I will not get my prompt. If I want to run any other command, I will not be able to run. You see, after 10 seconds, I got my prompt. Now, same thing, I want this process to run at the background so that I can get my command prompt where I can do other things. Let's say bg. As of now, there is no commands that is running in the background. Bg sleep 100. Let's not give bg sleep 100. Let's say I'm giving sleep 100 and enter. Now, if I want my prompt back, I can say Ctrl+Z. Now, what it is saying? It has stopped the job. Now, if I go inside this command called as jobs, we can see there is one command which is stopped, and that command is sleep 100. Now let us say I will run a command called as bg, that means background. That means this process has to run in the background and enter. Now you see it is saying that this command is running, but I have the prompt back. Now if I see the jobs, you will see this is running. So there is something like if you want to work, if you want a command to run, a process to run, but if you want to run some other things, then what you can do, you can run the command Ctrl+Z. Okay, and then if you give bg, the job will run at the background. Now we can see the same thing, ps -ef, enter. You'll also able to see all the commands that are running. If I want to see only my sleep command, I can see give pipe grep sleep. You see, I can see this is running at the background. Now this is running in the background, right? Now what if I want to bring it to front ground again? All I need to do is that just type in fg. Okay, you see this process is done. That is the reason it is showing. Now let's say, let me run this again. Sleep 1000, enter, Ctrl+Z. Okay, now I want to run bg. That means the process is running at the background. Now let's say, let us check that. How do we check that? By going to jobs, we can see this job is running. Now I want to bring that to the front ground, fg, enter. Now you see this process is running again. That is how you can change the job to the front ground and background. Now let me come out of that, Ctrl+Z. Now we can also run this by using another syntax called as nohup. Okay, let's use this nohup sleep 15, enter. Now Ctrl+Z. Now you see this is also running. The difference is that now when you use a nohup, it will not attach any terminal. Okay, same thing, background and front ground. So this is how we can manage the processes either to run in the background or to run in the front ground. If you want to see all the processes that are running, PS stands for process status. Okay, so these are the different terminals. All right, that's all I have for this session, guys. You guys have a good time. Take care.